Turtles on the road. Thank you, Fluffy. Chase.
Oh, baby, don't you forget about me. Don't you.
I know, right? Hey, everyone. So, good morning.
Good morning.
You want to say hi?
Hi.
It is 8:30, you guys, and Chelsea is getting ready to get on the bus. It's 37 degrees. It's cold outside, y'all. Chelsea just ate her breakfast. I just did her hair.
I've been having Fruity Pebbles every morning.
She's been having Fruity Pebbles every morning. I made Kaden some bacon, so I need to go ahead and get him dressed. How are you guys doing this morning? Hope y'all are doing well. So I need to do my hair. I haven't done my hair. You want to play the game?
Whenever we solve a pirate,
She got enough room to download it.
put 'em in our team treasure chest. Is everybody ready? I got my sword. I got my map. I got my pixie dust. Fairies gave it to me so that we can use it to
Why?
Sorry, guys. No turtle picking for you today. Turtles on the road. Thank you, Fluffy. Chase.
Hey everyone, so we just left and I just wanted to get on here and do this quick update on what happened. So we just went in because Kaden was diagnosed with the innocent heart murmur, and what that means is when it's the innocent heart murmur, that means it's nothing wrong with your heart. It's more growth related. So as you guys know, with Kaden's autism and his developmental delay, that's the reason why he's had it for so long, because his development it's behind. So he was diagnosed with this at 3, and it's kind of been something that we've been dealing with ever since, but it's not serious. So like every time we would go to the doctor, or if he would have a procedure done or something like that, the doctors were always concerned. So the cardiologist told me to just let them know that Kaden is good, he's healthy, he's fine. So I'm just really blessed that this isn't anything serious and that he can start his medications in the future. So I'm really excited about that. I really like the pediatric cardiologist. He did a real good job explaining to me what a heart murmur was, why it's innocent. So I just really appreciated him just not rushing me out and taking the time to explain to me that Kaden is good. So I'm gonna go ahead in this vlog. It may be a short one, but I just wanted to share this with you guys. So thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.
Hold on to me.